Experiencing trouble signing in to your Cricket Wireless account? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, especially after app updates. This section will guide you through resetting your password, PIN, and 2FA to regain access. First, ensure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account, as verification is crucial for these resets. Remember that Cricket Wireless implemented stronger password requirements, 12 plus characters with symbols, in January 2025, so your old password might not work anymore. Let's get started with resetting your password. To reset your password, go to mycricket.com or open the MyCricket app. Click Forgot Password. Enter your username, email, or phone number associated with your account. You'll receive a link via email or SMS. Click the link and create a new strong password with at least 12 characters, including symbols. To reset your PIN, access your account settings in the MyCricket app. Navigate to the Security section and select Reset PIN. You'll need to verify your identity using two-factor authentication. Once verified, create a new 4 to 6-digit PIN. For two-factor authentication reset, go to your account security settings. First, disable your current 2FA method, then re-enable it, choosing a new option like Google Authenticator instead of SMS. If completely locked out, contact Cricket support with your account details for manual assistance. If you're still having issues after resetting, clear your app cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the MyCricket app, and clear cache. This often resolves sign-in problems. Keep your recovery email and phone number updated for smoother resets.